Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Puji. My name is Amanda Pramisi Putri from class 07 CG002. Name 211010600252. Today I will explore an essential topic in social linguistics, dialect and variety. Language is more than just a tool for communication. It reflects our identity, culture, and society. In this presentation, I will learn about the concept of dialects, their types, and the factors that shape them. By the end, I aim to better understand how language connects us to our communities and how it evolves over time. Let's begin. The first one, objective. Number one, understand the concept of linguistic variation. Linguistic variation refers to the difference in language use that occur across different regions, social group, or context. This helps us recognize why people speak differently depending on their environment and background. Number two, explain the difference between regional and social dialect. Regional dialects or regionalect are influenced by geographical location, while social socialect depend on factors like social class or profession. For example, the way English is spoken in London differs from Manchester, and how lawyers speak might differ from factory work. Number three, analyze the impact of social and geographical factors on language. Social factors like education, age, and status, as well as geographical boundaries, shape how language is spoken in various settings, creating unique linguistic features in different communities. And the next, introduction. For the first one, dialect as a form of language variation. Dialect emerge as variation of a single language influenced by social and geographical distinction. For instance, American and British English are variations shaped by their respective history and environment. The second, studying dialect reflects identity, social norms, and cultural value. Dialect reveals a lot about a speaker identity, where they come from, their culture, and the social norms of their community. For example, someone using Appalachian English in the US is often associated with rural culture and traditional values. Number three, dialect evolves due to migration, social change, and interaction between groups. When people migrate or interact across region and culture, their language mix, adapt, and evolve. For example, urban migration often leads to the blending of rural and urban speech pattern. And the next, what is a dialect? A dialect is variation of a language. While dialect vary in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar, they remain mutually intelligible. For instance, Cockney English and Standard British English are dialects of English. The second example of regionalect and socialect. Regionalect or regional dialects influenced by specific geographical location, like Southern US English or Yorkshire English. And the next, socialect or social dialect. Dialect influenced by social structure such as upper class speech or working class vernacular. And the third, dialects express culture, regional, and social identities. Dialects are a window into a speaker identity and community. They highlight culture, heritage, regional pride, and social belonging. And the next, types of dialects. The first one, regional dialect. These are from geographical factor such as mountain or river that isolates communities. For example, the French spoken in Quebec is a regular distinct from standard French. The second, socialect or social dialect. This developed within specific social group like professional jargon or space style associate with certain class. For instance, how doctors communicate often differs from how farmers speak. And the third, other variants. Gendered language varies based on gender. Women may use more polite or emotive language, while men may prefer assertive style. And the next, ethnologue, dialect tied to ethnic groups such as African American Vernacular English AAVE or Chicano English in the US. The next, chronology, variation based on time, reflecting how language evolved across generations, like the slang of the 1980 versus that of Gen Z. The next, importance of studying dialect. The first one, provide insight into social and historical change. Dialects offer a record of how societies and language have evolved. For example, the development of Caribbean Creole language reveals the history of colonization and migration. And the second, promotes understanding and tolerance in multicultural societies. Recognizing dialect diversity fosters respect for different communities and reduce stereotypes. It helps bridge communication gap in multi-ethnic societies. And the third, assist in language policy making and educational programs. Understanding dialects allow government and educators to create inclusive policy, such as incorporation local dialects into school to support regional identity and cultural preservation. Thank you for the time and attention. Well done from my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.